Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is Spring and Spring Boot. Coming to Spring, Spring is a powerful and popular framework for building Java applications. It provides a comprehensive infrastructure support for developing Java applications. It covers a wide range of tasks like setting up databases, managing transactions, handling web requests, and much more. Before Spring got introduced, we would use multiple technologies like servlets, JSP, EJB, JDBC, JTA, JMS, JPA, Struts, Hibernate to develop a Java application. We had to bring all these different technologies and make it work together to achieve the requirement. But Spring acts like a toolbox with various tools that help you build different parts of your application. For example, if you are building a house, Spring provides tools for plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, etc. Similarly, in software development, Spring provides tools for database handling, web development, and much more. Coming to Spring Boot is like a specialized version of Spring. It's designed to make it easy to create standalone, production grade Spring based applications. It simplifies the process of building and deploying applications by providing default configurations and conventions. Imagine if you had a pre-designed blueprint for a house that already included standard features like plumbing and electricity. With Spring Boot, you get a pre-configured setup for common tasks in web development. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the coming video, we will see how to create a Spring Boot project using Spring Boot Starter Project IO. Thank you.